This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Carol Bukanovich. Looking for a pristine, low-maintenance home? This is the one you've been waiting for. This gorgeous 3-bed/2.5-baths townhome has been meticulously maintained and is move-in ready. Feel the openness of the main level right when you walk in the door. The kitchen boasts beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, wood floors and large island for your bar stools. Perfect for your inner chef and entertainer. Off the dining area, enjoy a serene, private backyard with large patio west/paver extension, raised garden beds and electric awning for the perfect shaded area. Upper level holds 3 bedrooms and laundry room for easy access. Spacious primary bedroom and primary bath west/tile floor, dual vanity, and large tile surround shower. Community pool, playground and pocket parks for relaxing all included in HOA. Easy access to 485, shopping and restaurants. Kitchen refrigerator and washer/dryer.